Hey guys, it's Judy. I thought I'd pop in really quick to show you another way that I use the 2-ingredient dough recipe, which is the Self Rising flour and the non-fat Greek yogurt plain. And I'm going to give you a little peek of how I make some naan. And look how beautiful that is. Look at that. I love it. And so you just roll them out, and I'm going to show you in a second what they look like before I put them in here. But you roll them out, and then you just put them in a dry frying pan, just like this. And then the trick is to cover them. I have this metal bowl, and I cover them with this ball, and that makes them bubble up. And I learned that from Gemma Stafford from Big Bold Baking. I think that's the title of her YouTube. But Gemma Stafford is amazing baker. So look how gorgeous this bread is. You can take this bread, you can just cut it and dip it in dips. You can make small little pizzas out of them. Oh my gosh, they are so wonderful. And I'm going to show you how I did that. So I just took the dough and I rolled them out. I rolled them out into I'm going to shut this light off right here. I rolled them out into just little pizzas, little circle pizzas. Then you just go on medium-high heat on the frying pan, and you just lay it, and that's it. Okay. You need two utensils because you need one to flip and one to grab the pan. So I just take a tongue and I just cover it like that. And then you just let it bake within the pan and within the bowl, under the bowl, and it just gives it so much fluff. Let me show you the two that I did already. Look at this. Oh my gosh, they're so soft. And I challenge you not to love these because they are just beautiful. And what I'm going to do with these today, I'm going to, once they flatten out, I'm going to just put a little sauce and some cheese and a little pepperoni or some veggies on top. And just throw them in the oven really quick and just have like little pizzas. So you can see the video of the dough on my other YouTube post. So I just kind of keep checking it. Okay, you can kind of see a little bit of the bubbles in there. Just keep it covered. So I mean the whole process might take, I don't know, 3 minutes per piece of bread. So just kind of keep looking at it, and you'll see when it's done, when it kind of puffs up and bubbles. See the bubbles? Look how beautiful that is. So I'm going to take that, put it back on, and let that go probably for another minute or so. So while that one's cooking, I wanted to open up the first one I did for you. Look at this pocket in here. Is that not beautiful? Look. It's just like a pita bread. Oh my gosh. Look how gorgeous that is. Throw some cheese in there, mozzarella. Oh my gosh. And look at, can you smell it? Look at the airy pockets. Look at the way I'm just amazed by it. But you know, it's that steam in that pan that makes everything bubble. And I thank Gemma for sharing that with us. And I'll put her link down below in my description. Okay, I'm on my final naan. And look at that. Look at the big bubble in there. Gonna flip that over. And let it go for the next minute or so. So let's just see how this last one's coming out. Wow, look at that. So it creates this pocket that you're able to open, and you can stuff it as a pita, or you can leave it flat and dip it and use it. And I'm going to make some pizza, and I'll show you pictures of my pizza after I'm done, but you can see how beautiful and puffy it is. So I hope you enjoyed watching how you do that. and enjoy this naan or pita pocket, whatever you want to call it. And I will be back with some pictures to show you what I've done with them. Okay, so I prepared my little naans to get ready for the oven. And this one here is a chicken vegetable chili that I made last night. So I just threw that on top with a little cheddar cheese. This is one big slice of provolone with pepperoni on top, turkey pepperoni. This is just sauce and cheese, so plain. This is some hummus that I homemade, that I made myself, homemade, with a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top. This is sauce with some sliced zucchini. And I'm going to throw those in the oven, and I'll be back. This is the container that I used. I used a small container of Fage. Now, there is not a whole cup in this container, but 2 containers and 2 cups of flour worked out perfectly. I didn't need any more flour. I didn't need any more yogurt. So it really worked out good. I let the dough sit for about an hour before I cut them into balls and rolled them out. And oh my gosh, they came out so great. You saw how the naans just blow up. So they can be pitas, they can be naans, and oh gosh, hello, look at these. These are great. This is for dinner. And I will put the ingredients down below, but 2 cups of the Pillsbury Self Rising flour is 22 points. And if you break that into 7 pieces of bread, that is about 3 points per naan. I will put Gemma Stafford's link below. She's Bigger, Bolder Baking. That's her YouTube, that's her channel. And she's just great. She's got so many great easy baking recipes. So give her a check out and see what you think of her stuff. But Gemma, thanks for that idea of covering the bread with a pan. Okay, guys, enjoy. See you later.